Hey guys, so Wig of the Week this time, looking at another YouTube channel. This is one that I've gone to a couple of different times and looked at different things and used some of the videos to gain some skills. So it's Kristen Van Leuven, not quite sure how to pronounce the last name, apologies, right? But let's admit to being human beings, right? And it's a really useful site. I go through, like if you look at the playlists, okay, there's lots of different things. There's a lot of information here, a lot of it that I don't even touch and a lot of it that I haven't even gone anywhere near close, right? But, you know, watercolor challenges, I've done I think a couple of those, florals, right? Tutorials is where I've spent some of my time. But there's a bunch of different things here. How to use masking fluid, right? I'm not going to go through and you can look at the list. But a bunch of very specific things. So when I have a specific skill I might be interested in learning, I'll go in this direction, right? Now, I'll be honest, right? Their painting style and mine are very different, which is totally fine, but there's lots of skills here that I have learned and have applied to my painting and my painting style. One of the things I've been doing, and hopefully it doesn't just kick in, I've done a couple of these. I've only found them under the shorts without very much explanation. I actually have done 2 of these and put how-tos on them in my YouTube channel. But these little shorts of a 100 built painting challenge. And they're these tiny little 3-inch by 3-inch paintings, which is useful to learn, but it is a very different skill set than painting on a larger painting format, right? But that being said, you can do a couple of these in an hour, right? And really have some skills you've learned. I did this one actually, yeah. So, and that one, funny enough. So they both popped up, but those are the 2 that I did. All right, so I'm going to go back to the home page here and be done, because I must have talked at least a minute. Oh my God, right? So here's another wink. Here's another YouTube channel that's worth checking out, and I hope it helps you out. You know how it goes. If you want to see the next wink when it comes up, do a subscribe, give me the thumbs up, liking, right, all that kind of good stuff. It all helps. It's all very much appreciated by me and the channel. All right, thanks guys. See y'all later.